Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from scruffybear.ca, and I'd like to start off this video today to remind some of the ones that have been following me that a couple videos ago that we had series 2 of this year's blasters. Seems to be two configurations. There seems to be a 7-pack box which gives you 56 cards. Or you can get a 6-card or 6-pack box with an oversized young gun, and that gives you like 48 cards. And I was complaining about how they keep changing the configurations. Another example is you may find other blasters that have 5 cards a pack, 12 packs. You think, well, 12 packs, I should be getting 3 young guns. No. You'll still get only 2 young guns because the ratio on those blasters are 1:6, not 1:4 like all the others. And here's a prime example. Today's break, we're going to break the 2011-12 Series 1 hockey blaster. Okay, it says it's got 8 cards, 8 packs, and an oversized young gun. So I'm getting 64 cards in this blaster. This is what we're opening up today. The young guns is 1:4. We're looking for a Mark Shafaley. Did I say that name right? Mark Shafaley? Something like that. We're looking for his rookie card in here. Let's get started here. Hope everybody's doing well. And the oversized young gun. Oh, Marcus Kruger. We'll just put that over here to the side, and we'll get out our packs. Okay. We should get 2 young guns in here. Maybe a jersey and some really special insert cards. Jerome McGinley. Newmarket. I never could figure out how to pronounce his name. Newmarket? That guy, anyways. Patrick Sharp, Magnus Bajarvi, and an all-world team, Nicholas Backstrom. I got Peter Regan, Kositsin, and Franson. Next pack. Still no young guns. I think you can get Gabriel Lametikoff too in this one. Matt Cook, Umberger, Hendrik Sundin, and we got a Series 1 checklist with Daniel Sedin, Roberto Luongo, and Kessler, Zidlik, and Spezza, Poland, and O'Brien. With all those other formats, it's like you get only 1 young gun. And that's really, and the oversize is supposed to replace that one, you know? It's ridiculous. You should get their act together in 1 format. Babchuk, Sajak, Lettinen, Steve Downey, and Red Kelly, Hockey Heroes. That's a nice one. I like the older guys. We got Corey Schneider, Brandon Morrow, and Goliovsky. Okay, next pack. Shane Doan, Hornquist, Luongo, and a Young Guns of Jonathan Blum, John Tavares, Pozo, Chara, and Gagne. Oh, only one more young gun left. Okay, we got Eric Stahl, Michael Grabner, Drew Stafford, Mike Knubel, Patrick Cormier, and Jason Palmaville, Halak, and Cronwall. Base pack. Anyways, enough about the blasters. They should put it all one format so everybody knows what they're getting. Polino, Steen, Clutterbuck, Ultimate Team, Dion Phaneuf. Is that numbered? I've never seen these cards before. Nope, just an insert. Okay, Ryan Suter, Gonchar, Stewart, and Perron. 2 more packs left. 1 young guns to get. And we got Rutu, Bifoglin, Jay Clement, Ryan Getzlaff, and Matt Duchesne UD Canvas. Oh, it's interesting how they did it back then. Yeah, interesting design. Okay, Cam Ward, Fleury, and Parental. So the young guns must be in this one. Then again, you could always get ripped off of that one. Russell, it happened once before. Santorelli, they gave me a jersey instead of a young gun, and I only ended up with 1 young gun out of when I was supposed to get 2. Edler, and there's our young guns. Alex Stolik. And we got Letang, Yandel, and Tedenby? Never heard of him. Taylor Hall. And that's it. That's our blaster for today. I have a few other boxes on the way. So we got some more good breaks coming up. If you like this video, give it a like. If you have something you want to add, give us a comment. And subscribe. We are at 8 subscribers now, and we're going to hopefully get a lot more. When we get to 100, we'll have our first contest. And I think I have a good idea what I should be giving away. But anyways, here's a recap. For young guns, we got Jonathan Blum and Alex Stolik. We got a UD canvas of Matt Duchesne, Dion Phaneuf, Ultimate Team, a Red Kelly Hockey Heroes. I like that one. And All World Team, Nicholas Backstrom. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope everybody stays safe. Take care. Bye now.